GC. So hourly chart, if this is the 4 in and we're in the 5th down to that 11.49, I've got an A, B, C for a 1 in a diagonal, 2, A, B, C for the 3, A, B, C for the 4. That 4 yesterday hit the 887 retrace fib of the 3 off the top of the 2 and came off quite strongly. So I'm hoping we've got the A and this is the B of the 5 of 1. So we're going to drop down ideally to 11.89 to 11.85, then we'll get the 2, and then we'll get the momentum part of the move down to lower in GC next. But it's complex. This doesn't have to be the 4. You know, this can all be an A. This is part of a B, while the GDX comes down and finishes its 3. Then we get the C of 4 for a higher 4. So tricky in the metals themselves at the moment. Silver also, if you go through the last 2 nights video updates, very, very tricky at the moment. But I think if GC is going to come down to that 11.49 area, silver may well take out the 2015 low, which means we've got to start all the bottom up counts again in silver, which means it's going to remain tricky for a while.